So normally you should know by now that by default, HTML element div is a block element, so it occupies the full width of the it's a block element. So you can't find I'll give you access to share screen. You can't find multiple div on the same line. That's why you can't see these two elements sharing the same line. This one goes for its own line. All right. Now, if I create more div, similar thing is gonna happen. Then I do I scroll down, this guy blue. So I have four div stacked inside this guy. See them here. So I want them to be to be in the flex. I want it to be on the same line, the same horizontal line. All right, instead of vertically arranged. That's where flexbox comes in. So I'll go back to the parent. I will say display flex. Once I do that, it happen like that. Do you understand what I just did now? Any questions so far? I guess there's none. So just ensure you digest what I'm doing. So now this is flexbox. Everything is on the same line, side by side by side by side. The next time to show you, you have to give them space. Okay, so let's say they are okay. Let's say we added more. See what's going on here. Give me a color, please. Give me a color, give me a color, give me a color.
Orange.
Have you done it before?
Okay. Pink.
This is already being now. If you use pink, you won't see it now. You fade it.
Oh, sorry, purple. Purple.
You see, well, let me explain this thing again.
Can
All
change
right.
the number.
So, uh, it is shrinking the width of each one. Let's make sure they fit in.
Okay.
Initially, when we had just four, you are fitting in, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna see this one now, I'm not going to the end. But at the fourth one, we completed it and shrink some of them. The fifth one even did worse. So the oriented flexboard normally does this by default. Just know that if you want to get your width correctly spelled and designed, now what to call wrap. So you go back to the flexbox, which is this guy, flex wrap, watch this. Do you understand now? The extra ones are going to the next line to stay. That is between wrap and normal unwrap flexbox. It's clear, right? So the one that hits, this guy has a width. This guy has a width. So we say the width should be 80% of the entire screen, or the parent, which is the entire screen. So this 80% of the screen. The only other thing that exceeds this width supposed to be wrapped instead of being forced to compress. Does it make sense? Okay, so I don't know if you have any question at this point.
Yeah, I'm following.
Okay, so we take more, we take in more. Don't mind me, I slept around one, past one. I slept to two, or 1:30, or to two thereabouts. That's what I say. That's why you see me sounding my voice still husky. Sleep, my voice is still alive. So um, one more thing.
Yeah,
Mm, yes,
if I want to make the pink to touch the edge of the screen,
the green,
if I want to make the pink to cover the white space
the width,
by the right,
is the width. I say 80%. If you say 100, it will cover. But just that I should avoid padding because it will be an
okay,
overshoot. You pad it, your screen overflow. Comparing add the of adding imagine and padding, avoid it on this element now. Do you get? Go back to the 80%. All right. So next now to show us is other place attributes. Like I said, let's see. Now I'll show you wrap. Now let me show you wrap reverse. No, notice the difference. What notice? Hello. You have to have a language. If you notice, just tell me you notice anything. It's understood.
I noticed that the color reversed.
Yeah, reverse. So this is supposed to be a first line. The second line.
Yes.
The second line came up. First line came up. Without the wrap reverse, watch the, yeah, with the wrap reverse. So the line, we're changing line. All right. So these are just, I know I use wrap reverse before in my life before. So let nobody. Something are just there. There are many ways you can choose something. What if I'm not seeing scenario where I had to invert lines. All right. But makes sense anyway. If you're used to the task. In things like game design, so this time I'm saying I'm more useful for web people who are doing web game design. For this time I'm more
Yeah.
useful. Yeah. But for normal web development, you may not need some of these things. Um the next thing I want to talk about is um justify content. Let me start as center. You see everything is center line. I'm only using an uneven line example. So I will see how that come. So everything is just first center. Any space I will be given, I will give it upward. As a matter of fact, this guy has a height 200. this guy has a minimum height. Let me give minimum height for this guy to 600. Okay. Now hear me. I know I do what I did.
Yes, I saw it. But it did not created
Space.
space between the two lines.
Yeah. Um, I did to explain that space because I'm not giving it alignment. Let me hide this to see that space goes out. No, that space is not go out. Where did that space come in? Supposed to create that space, not. Okay, so why is it creating space by default? It's create space. But in flex drive, supposed to just go to the next line and then continue. I'm not, no, I didn't put gap. I didn't use gap attribute. Oh, that's okay, that's why. I'll find that just now. Mm-hmm. See, it is on on this screen. Three hundred by 200, 200 by 200. Anyway, anyway, I want to use that space that I should align at the center. Let me see it and show. And I didn't know that space will be created. I can't, I still don't have an answer to that space right now. So before I apply align items, when I want to see the outcome of see what you can start from beginning. But if I should apply that, let me finish with the concept. Right. Okay, so do at the same time. Hmm? Let's finish this for content. This is what happens. Now, if I say start or left, this is the outcome. I say end, this is the outcome. These are the same thing, right? So you using flex end, um, flex start. Right there. Okay, so but let's stick to what you start with. Okay. Start and so I'll show you start, I'll show you end, I'll show you center. Let me show you space between. So it creates an even space between them, apart from the beginning and the ending. Like I said, based on what you want to achieve. When you say space around, it prioritizes the space around. Any question? That's how you know. Okay, so one more just for consider example. Basically, now in space around, the space between them and one by the edge are not equal. But in space even equal spaces.
Mm.
Alright. So it all depends on what you want to achieve. Uh, so this is the basics of flavors, you know. So now let's talk about vertical alignment. You won't appreciate vertical alignment until you increase the height. Vertically centralized. Uh, center, let me just say, and take note, I like items for vertical. Why justify content horizontal? Is that unclear?
Okay.
Okay, although this can change. When you read note called flex column. Okay, so flex column is something I don't touch now. You change the flex box from horizontal to column to vertical. But let me open that chapter. Okay, so I think I've touched flex box enough. I can do assignment of flex box comfortably. This was how we manipulate that number using flex box. All right. No question so far on flex box. I guess it was driving home effectively.
No, no,
Okay, so what else am I supposed to talk about today? Let me go to my outline. I'm trying to manage myself.